Hello YouTube, thought I'd do a quick video here. This video is about my interface board that I designed and built. This interface board's plug and play. For those of you who are new to this channel or new to this video, this interface board's plug and play for the Retevis RT97S or the Midland MXR10 GMRS two-way repeater. Go to my forum. I have all the information about this interface board, what it can and cannot do, setup, and all that good stuff. But the question I've been asked, and I thought I mentioned this in videos. I know I just added it to the forum here recently. I thought it was on there beforehand. It must not have. I apologize for that. But I've been asked, what is the power requirements for this board? And if you are not going to use Zello, for whatever reason, you do not need to plug this in. This is only to power the circuit that is required for Zello. If you're going to use date, time, repeater ID, you do not need to plug this in. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Well, I have to plug in my computer anyways, or I have to plug in my Raspberry Pi. Yes, I understand that. So you're going to have power there probably anyhow. But it's good to know this because I've had some people ask me about solar power. So I got some good news about that. Again, if you're not going to use Zello, you don't need to plug this in. So you don't have to worry about it for your solar power repeater setup. But if you are going to use Zello on your solar power, there's two ways you can hook this board up. Obviously, the first way is to plug this into an AC inverter. Okay? But the second way, if you have not noticed, this wall wart puts out 12 volts DC. So you could, if you choose to, take this wall wart, leave a couple inches so you can hook it back up. You could cut this wire here. There's a red wire and a black wire. The red wire goes to positive. The black wire goes to negative. You could hook this interface board directly up to a 12-volt car battery or any type of 12-volt DC power. That's the beauty of this interface board. You don't need to use an inverter for this interface board. But again, if you're just going to have date and time and repeater ID, you don't even need to hook it up to power at all. So that's even less hassle for you. So you can just leave this unhooked, hook up the board as usual with the cables, but don't plug this in, and it will work fine for the date and time and repeater IDing. So there you have it. I hope that tidbit is helpful. I apologize. I thought I mentioned that before. Perhaps. I don't know. I guess I'm just getting old. But I did add that to the forum now. So one other thing I want to point out. I try to do videos of any new functions or features or whatever I may have for the interface board. Like this tidbit I just told you now. So your best bet is to keep checking the forum because I will update the forum faster than I can make videos. So always check the forum under the category the interface board. I'll post that link down below. That tells you how to set this up. It's a plug and play. It's real simple. A couple clicks and you're done. Works with Raspberry Pi. Works with a computer, whether it's a laptop, desktop, a mini PC, whatever the case may be. So all that information is on my forum. I have pictures. I have links to videos. I have step-by-step instructions. Everything you need is there, but always check there first because I don't always have enough time or I don't get to it right away to make a new video like I did with this one. And there may be something you want to know, so you just go there and check there. Eventually, I'll try to make a video of it, but it's best just to go there and check there first. At any rate, if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you, and have a good day.